Hello guys, I'm back. I want to show you how to watch One Piece and Fairy Tail episode 1 up to the last episode. First, I'm gonna put in the description below the Fairy Tail episode there, and in my next video I will show you the One Piece. It's like this. I will show you. This is the episode 1. It's in the bottom because it's already old. This is the latest episodes, and this is none. This is, if you click it, look, you click this, wait first, it's still loading. No. Wait first, it's reloading. Now, I will show you later how the One Piece. It is secret. I will show you later. Here's the Fairy Tail. This is the summary of the movie there here. You must play, and there is a full screen here and the other one. So thank you for all your support. I hope this might help you. Bye bye.